Hello from Bush Technical Support. In this video, we will show you how to use the Bush Bagless Cylinder Vacuum. Before using the vacuum, pull out the cable until the yellow mark is visible. Ensure you do not extend the cable past the red mark. Plug the vacuum into the mains supply and press the on-off button to start the vacuum. Press the on-off button again to switch the vacuum off. Once the plug has been removed from the mains, press the cable rewind button. We recommend guiding the cable with your hands to control the cable whilst it is retracting. If the cable does not rewind fully, pull the cable out slightly and press the cable rewind button again. Before emptying the vacuum, ensure it is switched off and disconnected from the mains. When the dust container has reached the max line or the suction power is reduced, it is time to empty the dust container. Press the release button and lift off the dust container using the handle. Position the dust container over a bin and press the lever to open the base. Once emptied, close the flap and refit the container to the vacuum body. A click will be heard when it is correctly engaged. Your Bush vacuum is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.